Hey, what's up guys? I was sent this 4-inch dryer duct vent kit for free so I could do an unboxing for you and then just show you quickly how it works. Now, I do a lot of DIY projects and stuff around the house. I'll actually end up using this at some point for like portable AC unit that I want to hook up in my house. But for now, today, I'm just going to show you, like I said, what it comes with. This is a kind of a zip-up bag it came with inside of the original packaging also. And then this part here, you see it has a open and a closed slot, or I guess instructional directions there. And this part will actually go inside of your house. So if you have a hole drilled into your, from the inside of your house to outside, this will actually go on the inside of there. And then this piece is actually what you'll hook your duct to. So to show you, so your duct will slide right in there and it locks, and then it has like a locking mechanism here. So once you have your duct installed on this piece, you can, just sits right there and locks in. Then if you want to take it off for whatever reason, you simply unlock it and set it down. So anyway, so you see the screw holes. So you mount that to your wall, you screw it in. This part will stick outside of your house, and then you will have this silicone gasket here that after it sticks out of your house, you'll just slide this gasket onto it like that. You can see it there. And then the one thing that this doesn't come with that I would recommend having, it's not always 100% necessary, but I would recommend it, is like the louvers that have the little flaps, if you know what I mean. So to keep animals or stuff from coming inside of there. So that's pretty much it. So your duct locked in, that's sticking outside your house. You put your louver on here, and then it comes with your screws to mount it to the wall. And that's it. I mean, overall, it's a pretty nice, sturdy piece of plastic, nice ABS. It looks and feels nice, and it does look pretty easy to install.